Hi, this is my narrated video for task 2 on the handout. I'm going to be using the supermodel dataset. First thing we're going to do is click Analyze, Regression, Linear. Our dependent variable is going to be salary per day. Our independent variable for block 1 is going to be age. And for block 2, our independent variables are going to be number of years and attractiveness. For statistics, we're going to click Estimates, Confidence Intervals, Model Fit, R-squared change, Descriptives, Part and Partial Correlations, and Collinearity Diagnostics. For plots, we're going to put the dependent on the y-axis and adjusted prediction on the x. And then we're going to click Histogram and Normal Probability Plot. Then we're going to click OK. And then this is my output. And then to answer the questions on task 2, how much variance does the final model explain? The R-squared adjusted for model 2 was 0.173. Which variables significantly predict salary, age, and experience? And then here is my APA format table where I filled in the values. My regression equation for the final model is negative 60.89 equals 0.942 times age plus negative 0.548 times experience. Are the residuals as you would expect for a good model? Yes. And is there evidence of normality of errors? Yes. And then these are my APA format results, including figure 1 and table 1.